Hey guys, nice to meet you. I'm Gavin from Sonoscape, and we are a manufacturer for ultrasounds. We were established in 2002, and now we are a listed company in China. This is Rob, our dinner taste from Dr. Toy.
Dr. Toy Store in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, between Fort Lauderdale Airport and Miami, conveniently located on 95. We have the Sonoscape line. Got everything from the simple black and white A6s to the S2s. This is a brand new product that came out in the market a little less than 2 years ago. And it's a great system. Go through the specifics.
All right. This is X5. It was launched in 2016. It is a very laptop machine. You can see that without battery, it just take 3.9 kilograms. And this is a laptop machine. You can see that it has 100 opening and closing angle, and with a 15.6-inch screen. So it can equip with different transducers such as linear, convex, fixed array, and transvaginal that can give our customer a very good solution in different applications. So for the X5 until now, we have very good sales records in the United States. And in Florida, we just developed this market. We want to find a dealer in this market, and Dr. Toy, which has very good experience in the medical equipment. So we hope that Rob can help us provide good service and good solution to our customers.
Trump gave me permission, we can do it.
Okay.
I'm connected.
Okay.
The one thing about this machine also, we can take this and shake this upside down. Notice none of the buttons fall out, none of the color, none of the screen. I could do this 17,000 times in a row and nothing's gonna come out. There's no other machine that's been through that test. And that's something to say, because you can shake this thing all over upside down, it's not gonna fall apart. A lot of the GE, some of the Titans and stuff, the screws, you'll hear them, they'll fall out, the buttons, not this machine.
Right.
It's special, it's built. Durability, it's gonna last a lot longer than the other ones. Has a multi-frequency probe, you got color, black and white. It's great for breasts, it will do 17 megahertz, up to 17 megahertz. So it's a fantastic system here at the Doctor's Toy Store. You can order 1 probe, 2 probes, 3 probes, vaginal, abdominal. It's just a great system for the money. Instead of buying a GE for all that extra money, save the money, put it for a down payment on a house, take a vacation. Call the Doctor's Toy Store today. What other great things does the machine have? Top things.
Yes, okay. If we want to use 3 words to describe this machine, the first is light. As I told you, without battery, it is just 3.9 kilograms. So very easy for traveling. You can take it from your office to your clinic. It's very easy for traveling. The second is fast. You know, if you just press the turn on button, it takes only 22 seconds for the booting up. So the booting up time is very great. So you can use it for even in some ICU products, in some ICU application or some situations. The third is about its images. The imaging is great because, you know, based on the transducers, we want to give our customer very good solution. Just one transducer, for example, the linear transducer, the frequency range is from 4 to 60 megahertz. So with just one transducer, you can do nearly everything scanning, no matter for the superficial or deep part tissue. That is very great for these transducers.
So essentially what he's trying to say is this is the best bang for the buck. 22 seconds to boot it up. No waiting 5-10 minutes or whatever it is. It's lickety-split fast. Call the Doctor's Toy Store today. We'll get you one sent out. We can finance or lease. We also take trade-ins. Call 877 DRS-TOYS today. Thank you.
Thank you, Rob. Thank you.